Welcome to Java Smart. My name is Jayapratap Singh, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use collections for storing values in Spring. So let's get started. I will create a class and I will give it a name, collections demo, and inside this class I will write collections. So generally, if you want to store some values, you use collections like set, list, or map, and you use their implementation, array list or linked list, or set, hash set, whatever you want to use. You use that kind of a collection, and then you store the value. But if you don't want to store like if you don't want to create the object of collection class and then don't want to store those value any value in that collection, you can do this thing by Spring as well, sorry, Beans XML file as well. So how to do this? The first way, you know how to create a collection and then how to store a value in that collection. Now I will show you in this demo how to put the value in a collection from uh, XML file, configuration file. So I'll write the collections. So I'll write all the collections which are available for injection from Bean from XML file. So I'll write set. So I will write set s, and then private, I will write list l, and then I will use map also. I will use, okay, just a minute, private, then this map, and then I will map m, and private. We use properties p. So let me import all these. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so I have imported. Now let me create getter and setter for all these member variables. Select all and generate getter and setter. So now I have getter and setter for all type of collections: set, map, list, and properties. Now I have to do configuration in my configuration file. I have to configure this bean. So bean name is bean ID. I would give cd collection demo, and class name is jp package, and then collections demo. So this is the class name, and inside this I have to set all the properties: set property, map, list, and props. So I will write property. So first I will write which property is my first property, set, and then I have list, map, and prop. Okay, so I can write this first property p. No, not prop, set. I want to provide the value for set. So set. Now here I have to mention set. So inside this set I will write the values. So I have a value tag, value. So this will be a set of which set I should make. It's a set of languages. So I will write Java, then another value C, and then other value is C++, and then I would give one more value C again. So I just want to check whether it will store 4 values or 3 values. So it is a set, so it will store only 3 values. Duplicate value will be removed, will not be added. Okay, so now I have injected this. Now another property I have, that is list. So property, and property name is list L. Now I will give value. I will have to write list first. I have to mention list. So list, I have used list tag, and inside this tag I have value tag. So again I will use value tag. So this here I will use here I will write a list of tools for creating any Java project. So I will write Eclipse, Eclipse, then another property, another value, NetBean, bean, and STS also, Spring Tool Suite also we can use. So I will write STS. Here also I will try to write duplicate value just to see it will be added or not. Definitely it will be added, but we just want to see the output. So STS 2 times I will add. Now again another property we have map. So I will write map, sorry, property, and inside that map, so am, then I will write map tag. Inside this map tag I have another tag, that is to store key value pairs. So for that I have entry tag I have. Inside that I have to specify key and then value. So key I'm specifying, okay, so in the map I will store key value pair of what. Okay, just a minute, let me think what we can put here. Okay, so what we can put in key value pair, okay, whatever. I will put names. So I will write alphabet for their first letter and then name. So I will write A here, and then I will write Amit. This will be my value. So I have to write value tag, and inside that value I will write Amit, and then another entry tag. Here I will give key as B, J. I'll give value as value tag. Inside that I will write J. Then I will use another entry. Here I will write key of K. So I'll write value as, okay, value is current. Okay, so map completed. Now another property I have in class, that is property of property type. So this also I need to inject. So I will write property, and the name of property is P, that is of property type. So for that we have props tag. We use props tags to store key value pair using property. So okay, so here I will use props, and then inside the prop tag I will have to mention key. So okay, so I will use here companies I will use. Okay, so key, C, C